Documents required for SLS Pune 3 years LLB. So you need your admit card, photo identity, ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस, पासपोर्ट, आधार कार्ड, इन तीनों में से कुछ भी आप अपलोड कर सकते हो. ऑनलाइन PI कॉल लेटर, ब्रीफ CV, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस, मार्क्स शीट ऑफ 12th, मार्क शीट्स ऑफ डिग्री प्रोग्राम, मार्क शीट ऑफ 10th standard. So statement of SOP is statement of purpose, why you want to do law and what are your goals and aims and aspirations in life. Brief CV is again about you. They have given a format, you have to fill in that, and if you want your CV statement of purpose, you want to get it checked, you can book a slot with me. I will leave the details in the description box. I'll pin it in the comments, right? And then you have to upload it the way they have told you to upload it. ठीक है ना, उन्होंने बताया है को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ के जो आपके सर्टिफिकेट्स हैं, extracurricular activities, 2 LORs, experience letter if you have any, caste or category certificate, ठीक है, undertaking for online admission process, then you have caste or category candidates के लिए. So all of this you have to upload and they have given you time till 2nd January. Please do the needful. कोई भी doubt है with regard to the documents, please make sure that you leave a comment down below, or you can catch me on Instagram. I'm there by the name I am Loggery. Yes, you need 2 LORs, otherwise they have said that you can give a justification. Try to get 2 LORs, ठीक है ना. And then you are required to keep ready the following documents: soft copy in PDF forms and hard copies at the time of PI. So you need to have the hard copies at the time of PI. अगर आपके पास किसी चीज़ की soft copy है, for example if you are receiving your LOR online, make sure आप उसका colored print out निकलवा रहे हो या print out निकलवा रहे हो, ठीक है ना. तो ये required होता है. And yeah, if you have any doubts, you can leave a comment down below. You can also book a mock interview with me or SOP LOR checking session with me, and we also have a personal interview course that is available on loggery.in. I will leave the link of everything and the details of everything in the comment section as well as in the description box. And if you're watching on Instagram, you can message me, DM me for details. And yes, do check out our videos on Loggery as well as on Instagram. We have uploaded a lot of stuff related to SLS Pune interview which can be of great help to you.